Thank you, Sulamo, for presenting the executive summary, company description, and products and services. I'm Jason, and I'll be presenting the marketing plan for Family Care Home. Family Care Home will focus on the service's unique value propositions, offering a comprehensive learning environment that not only teaches children the value of play, but using those principles to further their emotional, intellectual, and physical development. We also offer locations closer to schools and communities whose past track records have been ranked 5 stars in safety and community by our partners from Redfin. And we also provide excellent customer service to any situation. Marketing research. During the initial stages of the writing of the business plan, several focus groups were held to gain insight into preferences and decision-making processes of the target customers. These focus groups were an indispensable source of information. Marketing strategy. Family Care Home will position itself as an advanced child welfare service that offers unique learning and development programs for children. With specialized training, the locations of the facilities can only be as good as the teacher and assistant. The Family Care Home has a specialized training program that all teachers and faculties are put through so they are proficient at teaching the special programs that Family Care Home has developed for children in need. We also offer innovative learning programs. Typical learning programs for children focus on specific traits and only work on one trait/skill at once. Where this is successful in reinforcing the skill, it is often very difficult for the child to appreciate the interrelationships of different skills. Consequently, the child can learn the skill but have difficulty applying the skill when faced with multiple situations. Thanks to Verizon's partnership, we offer innovative learning programs to these kids. Marketing mix. The Family Care Home marketing mix is assembled from the following approaches to pricing, placement, promotion, and customer service. Pricing. The pricing structure will decide on annually rate depending on how much a children needs for support. Placement. All services will be offered at Family Care Home facilities near schools that are rated by Redfin to have 5 stars in safety and community. Promotions. We offer 2 different campaigns we will be used to promote the Family Care Home. The first will be a multi-faced advertising campaign where we utilize social media and newspaper outlets. The second will be sponsorships for local events to gain awareness. Customer service. Clients be pleasantly surprised at how attentive Family Care Home is in regards to their needs. The nonprofit business operates on the assumptions that it will do whatever it is reasonably necessary to keep children safe, stress-free, and happy. Promotional strategies. Family Care Home expects its target market to be parents who are going under financial complications and are working and living within a 20-mile radius of each of our franchises. Family Care Home promotion strategies include direct mail. A Family Care Home will distribute mail flyers to neighborhoods surrounding the franchises. These flyers will provide general information of Family Care Home, its services we offer, and we offer inducements for people to contact us about their special situation. Public relations. We will contact all local and area newspaper and television stations to tell them about opening and unique value proposition of Family Care Home. Advertising through social media. Family Care Home will initially advertise in Facebook, Google, TikTok, Snapchat. We will also sponsor community events in order to gain awareness. Ongoing customer communications. Family Care Home will maintain a website and publish monthly email newsletters to tell customers about new events, incentives, and more. Operational plan. In order to execute on Family Care Home's business model, the company needs to perform many functions including admission functions, which is general and administrative functions including legal, marketing, bookkeeping, etc., and hiring and training staff. We also need kitchen functions, food preparation for the kids. The kids can't starve. The kids need healthy food in order to function throughout the day within our facilities. We also need store and retail functions. We need teachers for each homes, associates to deal with the children's needs and customer service. And we need janitor/maintenance personnel to keep the homes clean and maintained. We also have milestones that we are looking forward to throughout this week. December 28th, 2021, we need to finalize our lease agreements for homes. February 28, 2022 is when we start designing and building our family care home facilities and offices. April 15, 2022 is when we hire and start training initial staff for each homes. And June 2nd, we launch our family care home facilities and try to have a set date for reaching our break-even point. And December 1st, we obtain partnerships with neighboring counties to expand our facilities. I will now pass it over to Zhijing, where he will present to you our organizational plan.